Okay. Hello guys, my name's Octavio Garcia. Kind of just want to show you what I'm doing today. So I own two cars right now at the moment. I have a 2021 Toyota Tacoma off-road. I put these wheels when I had like 1,000 miles on them on the truck. And I have some Cooper all-terrains. 275, 55, 20s. It's 20-inch wheels. A lot of people usually run like smaller wheels, but I'm running the big boy wheels. So they are 20 by 9. Fitment, yeah, it's just like kind of flush with the fender, I guess. Today, I will be installing the Alpharex headlights. I kind of wrapped these myself, and I did a poor job because I wrapped the headlights with the headlights on. Usually I think it's best if you just take off the headlights, but overall I have the trdpro grill sensor down there. I switched out all the bulbs in the truck, all the inside bulbs. I ended up switching tail lights because I actually cracked the OEM ones backing up. So I have these by Tacoma Beast, where I got them. Then I have all the blacked out lettering. I have the tonneau cover from factory. I got the side rails as well. And then the blacked out badging all around. I got tint, limo in the front. Not too sure what I have in the front. I got the visors, stock height, stock suspension. I do have a spacer lift kit for it that I am going to install later on, but in the meantime, we're going to be working on this today. I'm excited for these headlights. It's going to be a huge difference in the front, even though I kind of wrapped the headlights myself. They look good from 10 feet away, but if you're close up and personal, yeah, it's gonna be pretty ugly. Yeah, and then this side's the worst. Ended up heating the vinyl too much, and it ended up ripping a hole. And I just said, screw it, just wrap them. And this was the first side I did, and then I learned my lesson. It's a lot of time and patience, so whoever wraps, man, shout out to you, because wrapping isn't all that easy unless it's just me. But this side came out better with some help, but either way, yeah, like the edges, it's best if you just wrap the headlights or anything with more space. So I should have took off the headlights, but today, no biggie, we're gonna replace them anyways. So I do have the fog switchbacks, so they are LED, and then you switch them, and they are the yellow lights. And overall, it's a nice truck. I like it. Got some Starbucks to start off the install. Overall, yeah, it should be fairly easy. You just gotta take off kind of like the whole front end, but we'll show you in this video. So right here in this box, we're gonna find out if it's worth $1,500 for some headlights for the Tacoma. So these are the Alpharex Alpha Black from Tacoma Beast. So initially I wanted these headlights from the beginning I got the truck, but $1,500 at the time when I got the truck, these headlights were actually like $1,100 to $1,200. Now they went up in price, which I should have freaking bought them when they were cheaper, but now they're like $1,500 for some headlights for the truck. But we'll find out if it's worth it or not. But I think they are, but for the price, it's a hefty price for sure. A lot of people usually would rather lift the truck than buy some headlights. I had bought the wheels when I first got the truck. I had 1,000 miles in the truck and I just swapped them out because I didn't like them. But overall, here they are. These are the Alpha Black, so everything is just these are big boy. I'll take the plastic after we install them, but here they are, Alpharex headlights, Alpha Black. My opinion is like, if you're gonna go big, go all out. $1,500. There's a couple other options. They're like $1,400, but I think this one was like $1,430. Everything tags and everything was $1,500. So yeah, here they are. Oh, we got those gas. Finally, we got one headlight done. A lot of clips, a lot of playing with it, a lot of messing around with it, but finally the passenger side is off. So what you have to do is take off your front grille, disassemble pretty much a lot of clips, a lot of things, and then right here, your fender. If you have the off-road, I kind of messed this clip up, but it's alright. Yeah, I just gotta pry off the fender flare, then kind of remove this down, kind of pop off. You got like a 10mm bolt right here, and then a clip. Take those things off, and then you're able to pry off the bumper. And then after that, just take off. Take off your bolts on your headlights. Got two right here, one on the side, right there, and then you got this weird looking, I don't know what to call it, but this is also in the way, so just remove that like how I did this side. Just make sure you know how to put it back, which I'll figure out myself. But overall, yeah, just a lot of clips and stuff. So now moving on to the headlight that we're putting in for that, which is obviously the other box. So, and I finally finished up after, I don't know how long it took me, but here's how they look. Completely changed the look of the truck. my opinion, looks meaner than before. But these are your yeah, overall it wasn't a bad install. It's just installing them is kind of, it's on the easy side, I guess. If you know what you're doing, just watch a YouTube video. I didn't really go in depth on this, but well, here's a full look of the truck. So it's the off-road 2021. Next, probably going to do is the lift that I have for this thing. I have a 3-inch spacer lift in the front and then 2-inch in the rear that I have sitting in the garage waiting to go on. But hopefully this week I'll slap that on. But today I did the headlights. Oh, these were also black, or sorry, they're chrome. So these are like bumper covers that I got for the truck. Kind of went with the, I don't know what you call this, like texturized plastic, like right here, just to match the whole rear bumper. And yeah, got the SUV there.